Modern RV travel is all about freedom, flexibility, and the ability to explore off-grid destinations without relying on campground hookups or noisy generators. Whether you're camping in remote wilderness areas, enjoying a cross-country road trip, or spending weeks boondocking in your favorite scenic location, having a dependable power source can make all the difference. That's why portable solar panels have become one of the most valuable upgrades for RV owners. Portable solar panels allow travelers to harness clean, renewable energy directly from the sun to keep batteries charged and essential appliances running. From powering lights and fans to charging phones, laptops, portable refrigerators, and power stations, a quality solar setup can dramatically improve your RV experience. Modern portable solar panels are lighter, more efficient, and easier to transport than ever before. In this guide, we're counting down the top 5 best RV solar setups for 2026 to help you find the perfect portable solar panel for your travel needs. Don't forget to check the description box for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Starting off at number 5 is the Socchiovola 200W portable solar panel. For RV owners looking for an affordable and practical portable solar solution, the Socchiovola 200W portable solar panel offers a strong combination of portability and charging capability. One of the biggest advantages of this model is its foldable design, which makes transportation and storage much easier when space inside the RV is limited. The 200-watt output provides enough power to support battery charging for many common off-grid applications. Whether you're powering portable power stations, charging batteries, or supporting essential electronics during camping trips, this panel provides useful energy production throughout the day. Durability is another important factor. Portable solar panels often face challenging outdoor conditions, including sunlight exposure, dust, wind, and occasional moisture. The Socchiovola panel is designed to withstand outdoor use while maintaining reliable charging performance. Setup is also relatively simple. Many RV travelers appreciate portable solar panels because they can be positioned independently from the vehicle, allowing users to place the panel in direct sunlight while parking their RV in the shade for greater comfort. Coming in at number 4 is the Gressel 200W portable solar panel. Gressel has become increasingly popular among outdoor enthusiasts and portable power station users, and this 200W solar panel demonstrates why. Designed for efficient energy collection and convenient portability, it serves as a reliable power source for RV camping, emergency backup situations, and outdoor adventures. One of the standout features of the Gressel panel is its focus on charging efficiency. High-quality solar cells help convert sunlight into usable electricity more effectively, allowing users to generate more power during favorable conditions. The foldable design makes transportation easy, while integrated carrying handles improve convenience when moving the panel between locations. This is especially beneficial for RV owners who frequently change campsites and need equipment that can be packed quickly and efficiently. Another important advantage is versatility. Portable solar panels can often be paired with a wide variety of power stations, battery systems, and charging devices. This flexibility allows RV owners to build customized energy systems based on their specific power needs. At number 3 is the Mpowos 200W bifacial portable solar panel. One of the most exciting developments in solar technology is bifacial panel design, and the Mpowos 200W model takes advantage of this innovation. Unlike traditional solar panels that collect sunlight primarily from one side, bifacial panels can capture reflected light from both the front and rear surfaces. This additional light collection capability can potentially improve overall energy production under the right conditions. Surfaces such as sand, concrete, gravel, and light-colored ground materials can reflect sunlight back toward the rear side of the panel, contributing to increased charging efficiency. The Mpowos panel also emphasizes portability and ease of use. Its foldable construction allows users to transport and store the panel with minimal effort, making it well-suited for RV lifestyles where space management is important. Another advantage is improved charging flexibility. As RV owners increasingly rely on portable power stations and battery systems, efficient solar charging becomes more valuable. Taking the number 2 spot is the BoojRV 200W portable solar panel. BoojRV has built a solid reputation in the solar and outdoor power industry, and this portable solar panel showcases many of the qualities that have made the brand popular among RV owners and off-grid enthusiasts. One of the biggest strengths of the Booj RV panel is its excellent balance between portability and performance. The 200-watt capacity provides substantial charging capability for batteries, portable power stations, and various electronic devices commonly used during RV travel. The high-efficiency solar cells help maximize energy conversion, ensuring that available sunlight is utilized effectively throughout the day. This can be especially important when weather conditions are less than ideal or when daylight hours are limited. Build quality is another area where Booj RV performs well. The panel is designed to handle the demands of frequent transportation and outdoor use while maintaining reliable operation over time. And finally, taking the #1 spot is the Renogy 200W portable solar panel. Renogy has become one of the most trusted names in solar energy solutions, and the 200W portable solar panel stands out as one of the best portable RV solar products currently available. Known for quality engineering, reliable performance, and excellent durability, Renogy continues to be a favorite among RV owners, campers, van lifers, and off-grid enthusiasts. One of the biggest reasons this panel earns the top position is its overall efficiency. High-performance solar cells help maximize power generation while maintaining reliable charging performance under a wide range of conditions. Integrated handles, protective construction, and user-friendly setup features allow travelers to deploy the panel quickly whenever solar charging is needed. Durability is another major advantage. RV solar equipment often spends years exposed to sunlight, changing weather, and constant travel conditions. Renogy's strong reputation for manufacturing quality helps ensure long-term reliability and dependable performance. Choosing the right RV solar panel depends on several important factors. Power output, portability, charging efficiency, durability, compatibility, and ease of setup all play major roles in determining overall value. Portable solar technology continues to improve every year, making it easier than ever for RV owners to enjoy clean, renewable power while exploring the outdoors. Whether you're a full-time traveler or an occasional weekend camper, investing in a reliable solar panel can significantly enhance your off-grid experience. That wraps up our guide to the top 5 best RV solar setups for 2026. From the practical Socchiovola 200W portable solar panel, the efficient Gressel 200W portable solar panel, the innovative Mpauo's 200W bifacial portable solar panel, the high-performing Booj RV 200W portable solar panel, to the top-rated Renogy 200W portable solar panel. There's a perfect solar solution here for every RV traveler and outdoor enthusiast. Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest reviews and buying guides. And be sure to check the description box for the latest prices and deals on all the products featured in today's video. Thanks for watching.